Students, our next chapter is fourth, and our chapter name is nutrients in food. Firstly, we read about our food. Now we read about the nutrients which are present in our food. If you observe your mother cooking, you will see that she uses many items, which is see whenever your mother prepare your food inside the kitchen, then you have to see that she using too much items inside the kitchen to make dal, which we think she used onion, tomato, salt, and many other items. These things or raw materials needed to make a food item are called its ingredient. Now these which are used by your mother firstly we read about if she want to make a dal, then she use onion, tomato, these all things that are raw materials now. So which raw materials needed to make this food item, so that is called ingredients. Now variety in food. There is a wide variety of food items present around you. Wide is abroad. Too much variety of food items present around you. While some of them are cooked and other can be eaten raw. Some are cooked, but some are you eaten raw material. Now which cooked food have? Cooking add flavor and aroma. Aroma means taste to the food, making it soft, tasty, and easy to. Aroma means to giving smell to our food. Okay, to cooking add flavors and smell to the food, making it soft. Aroma means it's a smell, and the food making it soft, tasty, and easy to digest. Okay, when we cook food, that become soft, tasty, and easy to digest. It also kills germs and protect us from disease. So when we cook food, that also kill the very harmful, which are harmful germs for us, that killed by heating. To realize the importance of cooking, try this activity. See here, there is an activity. You have to take some potatoes, okay, and wash it. After that, boil it, and some sprinkle the salt on that boiled potato, and then taste it, and just taste it raw. Okay, try to eat a raw potato, then you have to check the taste. Clear? So these are however certain food items which are eaten raw. So here some food items are written which are you have to eat as it is a raw material. So raw food which have fruits such as apple, mango, orange, and some vegetables like carrot, cabbage, radish, and cucumber should be eaten raw. So these all things you have to eat as a raw material without cooking. So these foods are already soft. These are healthy and tasty also. They contain large amount of vitamin and minerals that are destroyed by heat. If you are heat these vegetables, then which are vitamins and minerals are present in these food that are destroyed by heating. So these food items are not cooked, that's why they are eaten as a raw. Cooking is good, but overcooking is harmful. Okay, cooking is good, your food become a tasty, healthy, and easy to digest. Firstly we read but overcooking that harmful. When the food is overcooked, the nutrients are killed, which are important nutrients present in the food that are killed by overcooking. So we do not get energy. After that we do not get energy Nutrients in food. We know that food gives us energy to work and play. It helps our body to grow and repair itself. But nutrients what given? Nutrients which are present in our food that give us energy to do work, to do play. Okay, and it also help to grow our body, and which our body part break down, that repair itself. It keeps us fit and healthy. Different food items give our body different useful substances. Now different food items giving a different useful. So these useful substances present in the food are called nutrients. Now which are useful substances present in the food? That is called nutrients. Now important nutrients which have: first is carbohydrates, second is fats, proteins, vitamin and minerals. So let us study more about them. Firstly, carbohydrates. These are the food items in which carbohydrate is present. These are group of different kind of sugar. These are energy giving nutrients. So in these food items having a sugar present. Okay, carbohydrates like a sugar taste. And food item like rice, potato and sugar are rich in carbohydrates. So they give us energy to do work, play, walk and study.